SmartThings Review. Is this home app legit? So SmartThings is Samsung's smart home platform and app that lets you connect, control, and automate compatible devices from various brands. Let's say in one place. It works with smart lights, plugs, sensors, locks, cameras, and even appliances, making it a central hub for home automation. So it's very easy to use, it's very saving and caring and secure. So what it offers is the key features, which is the device integration. It works with Samsung devices and third-party brands. It also has the automation routine, so you can set custom triggers, can even have based on time, location, or device status. It has a voice assistant support as well, so it's compatible with Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. They also offer multi-platform access, available on iOS, Android, and certain smart TVs. They also have a SmartThings Find, which can locate Samsung devices using Bluetooth and location data. The only problem is, some advanced features require some Samsung hardware. The app performance can also be inconsistent for large hardware, and the app performance can be inconsistent for large device setup. And they also have limited offline control for most functions which needs internet access. So in conclusion, SmartThings is a legit and reliable smart home platform, especially if you're already using Samsung products. It's great for beginners and intermediate users who want a centralized app for multiple brands without being locked into a single ecosystem.